Hi, my name is Brittany Dean, and I'm from Boss Tings Apparel. Follow me on my IG, Boss Tings, BOSS_STINGS Apparel 1, and you'll be able to see all of my latest exclusives and the prints that I come up with for your pups. Come on in. These are my exclusive prints I have for the Pride, Pause for Pride. You know, we support it all. Our pup cutery, which fills up these bags here. We have these bags that are available to you. They come inside with a poo bag, and they come also with a toy. But you fill it with your pup cutery, which is a part of the element that I bring, because I bring the potty, P-A-W-T-Y, potty. So I bring it for you, your pups, your fur babies, all fur babies inclusive. We don't discriminate. So yes, we also have my tees available. As I have one on because I'm a FERS responder. I have 2 boys, multi-poos, and those are my guys. It's just a little too warm to have them out here right now. However, we have plenty of shirts. I also have my cups that are very nifty. So when you're traveling with your pups, whether you're walking or if they're in the car with you, these water bottles are very, very handy. You put your treats down here. I have them in here for the aesthetic, so you can see that treats are a part of your every deal that we have here, because pups like to eat, we like to eat. So definitely these are very appreciated when you're out with your pup. So I have my bandanas here. All my prints are custom. You know, we have our pit babies, and we don't want to hear too much about them. We also have our talk to the paw, because that's a universal statement, like whether we have human paws or puppy paws, talk to it. And you know, we have our puppies who people and you know, things just can't resist. So check us out. We love all fur babies, and we're fur baby inclusive. I bring potty element as well. So check me out. Again, follow my Instagram at Boss Tings Apparel, BOSS_STINGS Apparel 1.